welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Kuldeep. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about when the cruise ship is into the storm. Yes, guys, I'm going to talk about what exactly happened inside and even in outside. So please, guys, watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to channel, you know what to do. You need to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because I'm going to come up with more interesting video about the cruise ship, which is going to give you more knowledge about the cruise ship life. So guys, I don't want to waste more time, and what I say, let's start this video. Awesome. Alright guys, let's begin our countdown, and first we have this water splash. Now this is such a huge cruise ship and it is going up and it has gone down, and the water flash. Wow. Now this is another flash, you can see. Oh man, it's like an explosion. You can see the water has come so up. Okay, now this is a pool for children, I guess. Yes, it's all children, but it is so dangerous. You can see right, left. So this happened when it's a rough sea. Now the video right now which you are seeing is like a ship kissing another ship. I don't know, maybe that pilot of the ship has been drinking all night. OMG. Now another one. Now this I can understand. This is purely based on a rough sea. You can see slowly, steadily kissing it. Now this is a pool on a cruise ship, but the most scariest part is this. I don't know how they have allowed this lady to jump in a swimming pool on a rough sea day. Seriously, I have no answers for it. Now guys, this guy is not drunk. Believe me, when we are into storm, you actually walk like this. It happens like that. Believe me. Now this is another video. No, there is no ghost or something. It is a rough sea. You can see it. This man is not possessed. It's just a rough sea. Now this is the most dangerous, and I have really don't know where this water is coming from. It can be coming from the leak pipe or from the above deck, from the sea. It happens. It's not that to worry about it. Now I have to switch off the light. Switch off. Switch on. Now this ship is stuck in a storm. Oh shit, I don't really want to be inside the ship. Now what exactly happened when you are into a storm? This happened. The furniture goes right and then left, right and then left, and it can really harm you also. For example, this one. Now it looks a normal rough sea, but suddenly, oh, it's like a power. There is some power. What to say? Now this is a storm. You can see a windy thunderstorm, and this brave man, maybe he will cast in some other Avenger movie. You should not be on the top of the ship right now. And I really don't want to be in a FMB when there is a rough sea. You can say, oh my god, look at that person going.
Be careful, that window's open.
Yeah, be careful. And you can see all the glasses have fallen. Now he had to set the table again. Oh, so much work.
The windows are open, don't fall out.
Yeah. Now I've already shown this video, but this is the most. Now you see carefully this lady. Oh, it's bang, and she's like fallen. This happened when you are not tied your furniture properly, but normally on a cruise ship they tied their furniture. So just enjoy life.